In this video, I'll break down the top 5 cordless vacuums and which cordless vacuum I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best cordless vacuum and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Tineco Pure One S11. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It has an intelligent iLoop smart sensor, which adjusts suction power automatically based on the amount of dirt detected, optimizing both cleaning efficiency and battery life. This cordless vacuum offers strong suction, powered by a 450-watt motor with a maximum output of 130 watts, making it effective on both carpets and hard floors. The LED display provides real-time feedback, showing dirt levels and battery status, while the illuminated brush head helps spot debris in darker areas. The S11 comes equipped with versatile attachments, including a soft roller head for hard floors, a crevice tool, and a mini power brush for upholstery. Its 4-stage HEPA filtration system ensures cleaner air by capturing fine dust particles. The detachable battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime in auto mode, though high power mode reduces this to about 10 minutes. Swapping batteries is seamless, allowing extended cleaning sessions. While the build quality feels solid overall, some components like the HEPA filter housing may seem less durable. On hard floors, it excels with most debris, but might require extra passes for larger particles. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle enhance maneuverability, although it can feel slightly top-heavy during use. At number 4, we have the Hoover ONEPWR Emerge Pet Plus. The Emerge Pet Plus excels with its powerful cleaning performance and versatile design. Its standout feature is the high-performance brushless motor, delivering double the power compared to previous models, paired with dual cyclonic filtration that captures 99.4% of dust and fine particles without losing suction. The all-terrain dual brush roll transitions seamlessly between hard floors and carpets, handling everything from fine dust to larger debris effortlessly. Its deep cleaning ability on carpets is particularly impressive, scoring above average in tests for embedded dirt removal. This cordless vacuum offers excellent runtime, with 2 removable batteries providing up to 90 minutes of cleaning on low power. The quick 1-hour recharge time ensures minimal downtime. Above-floor cleaning is a breeze with the included motorized pet tool, powered extension hose, and 2-in-1 crevice and dusting tool, making it highly effective for upholstery, stairs, and tight spaces. It also converts easily into a handheld vacuum for added flexibility. The design features LED headlights for better visibility and a self-standing function for convenience. However, its dustbin capacity is smaller than average at 0.4 liters, and the handle can feel slightly heavy during extended use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Emerge Pet Plus delivers powerful, efficient cleaning across various surfaces, making it a strong contender in the cordless vacuum category. At number 3, we have the Shark IP3251. The IP3251 stands out with its powerful suction and intelligent cleaning features, making it a strong contender in the cordless vacuum market. Its Power Detect technology automatically adjusts suction based on floor type and debris levels, ensuring efficient cleaning across carpets, hard floors, and rugs. The DuoClean Detect nozzle, equipped with dual brush rolls, excels at picking up fine dust and larger debris in both forward and reverse passes. One of its most innovative features is the auto-empty dock, which not only charges the vacuum, but also empties its dustbin into a sealed base, reducing exposure to allergens and minimizing maintenance. This system can hold up to 45 days worth of debris, making it particularly convenient for busy households. The vacuum is equipped with a multi-flex wand that bends for easy cleaning under furniture and folds for compact storage. With a runtime of up to 70 minutes in eco mode, it's suitable for extended cleaning sessions, though higher power modes may reduce battery life. It also includes useful attachments like a pet multi-tool and crevice tool for versatile cleaning. Build quality is solid, featuring durable plastics and robust attachment mechanisms. At number 2, we have the CUCKOO CVC A1410NW. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its powerful 140 air-watt suction, driven by a high-performance BLDC motor, making it highly effective on various surfaces. Its advanced 5-layer filtration system, including a HEPA filter, captures fine dust, allergens, and pet dander, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier environment. The smart dust sensor is a standout feature, automatically adjusting suction power based on dirt levels for efficient cleaning. With a runtime of up to 38 minutes on a single charge, it supports longer cleaning sessions without interruption. This vacuum is designed for versatility and convenience. It comes with multiple accessories such as crevice tools and upholstery brushes, allowing you to tackle different cleaning tasks effortlessly. The adjustable extension pipe and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use, while the lightweight build and flexible head enhance maneuverability in tight spaces. The build quality feels robust yet lightweight, and the inclusion of dual wheels and an LED display adds to its premium feel. The charging stand is particularly convenient for storage and ensures the vacuum is always ready to use. At number 1, we have the Dyson V15 Detect. This is the best cordless vacuum you can buy on the market and stands out as a powerhouse among cordless vacuums, offering unmatched suction performance and innovative features. Its hyperdymium motor spins at an impressive 125,000 revolutions per minute, delivering a maximum suction power of 230 air watts, making it one of the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market. This raw power is complemented by a 5-stage filtration system that captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a thorough clean. One of the most striking features is its laser-guided cleaning technology integrated into the fluffy optic head. The green laser highlights microscopic dust on hard floors, revealing debris invisible to the naked eye. This feature pairs perfectly with the vacuum's piezo sensor, which counts and categorizes particles in real time, displaying the data on an LCD screen. While some may find this particle count unnecessary, it provides tangible proof of the vacuum's deep cleaning capabilities. The V15 Detect excels across surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. Its digital motor bar cleaner head adjusts suction automatically based on floor type, optimizing performance and battery life. The anti-tangle technology ensures minimal hair wrap, making it ideal for pet owners. With 3 modes, Eco, Auto, and Boost, it offers versatility for daily cleaning or tackling stubborn dirt. Build quality is robust and true to Dyson's sleek aesthetic. However, its weight and trigger-style operation may cause fatigue during extended use. So that sums up my top 5 cordless vacuums I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.